Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is the job postings from today as on the date 12th November 2020. The candidates, those who want to apply for the right positions, please do watch my full video. The first vacancy is for the position of Electrical Maintenance Supervisor in Dubai. The candidate must have completed Diploma in Electrical Engineering, must have a strong knowledge in maintenance of HV, LV panels, MDB, SMDB, DB and plus capacitor bank and light fittings etc. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Blue Rhine Industries in Dubai for the following positions of painters, painting supervisor, installation coordinator, production coordinator, acrylic fabricator, digital signage technicians, ACP fabricators and drivers with a valid UAE driving license. Those who have an experience of 3 to 5 years can apply for this position. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below provided mobile number. The next vacancy is for the position of accountant in Business Bay, Dubai. The candidate with an experience of 3 to 5 years in UAE can apply for this position, must be well versed in MS Excel and accounting software and must be fluent in English. The salary package is from 86,000 plus other benefits. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is for the position of architectural CAD draftsman in Dubai. Candidate with an experience of at least 10 years in UAE can apply for this position. Must have a previous working knowledge in shop drawings and must be well versed in AutoCAD. Salary package is not mentioned. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next is an urgent hiring for the following positions of mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, HR executive and procurement executive in Dubai. Candidate with an experience of 4+ years in MEP contracting can apply for this position. The salary package to be discussed. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is for the position of accountant in Dubai. Both freshers and experienced candidate can apply for this position. Must be qualified in CA or ACCA. The salary package is 86,000 per month. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is for the position of driver for the Embassy of Cyprus in Abu Dhabi. Male candidate with an experience of 3 years in the UAE can apply for this position. The candidate must be proficient in English and Arabic language. You can forward your CV and the copies of qualifications on or before 20th of November 2020. The salary package is from 85,286 plus medical insurance and annual leave. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of executive assistant in Dubai. Candidate with a minimum experience of 4 years in UAE in a similar field can apply for this position. Must have completed graduation. The salary package to be discussed. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is from Sparrows Group in Abu Dhabi for the following positions of rigger, offshore crane operator, lifting supervisor, deck foreman cum rigging foreman, crane technician and lifting equipment technician. Male candidate within 5 years of experience in offshore and onshore area can apply for this position. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Kelvin Catering Services in Dubai and Abu Dhabi for the following position of office boy. The candidate with an basic education can apply for this position. Must have a previous working experience in making tea, coffee, printing, photocopying and filing. The salary package is from 82,000 plus other benefits. And the candidate must be proficient in English. You can WhatsApp in the below provided number. The last vacancy is for the position of bike rider. from Tawsil Orders Delivery Services LLC for the different branches in UAE. The salary package is from 83,000 to 85,000 per month. Previous work experience of 3 months in a similar field is required to apply for this position. Candidate must have a valid UAE driving license. You can contact in the below provided mobile number. Hi friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel for more daily UAE jobs and for the job related queries, and also press the bell icon for receiving daily UAE job notifications immediately onto your phone. If you have any doubt regarding any of these job postings, please do let me know in my comment box below. Good luck on your job search and may God bless you all.